Hello everyone, welcome to 1 Minute Learning Show. The aim for this show is to make learning fun, quick and effective. I am your host Khushbu and today's topic is NT scan and the fetal jump. NT scan or a nuchal translucency is a sonographic appearance of subcutaneous accumulation of fluid behind the fetal neck. But do you know? Along with following the scanning protocol of NT examination in ultrasound, fetal jump plays an extremely important role for examine the correct NT. Let's hear something very interesting directly from our mentor Dr. S. Pradeep in just 1 minute.
This is an apt picture for measuring the NT in the mid-sagittal plane. One may wrongly measure this distance as the NT, which is actually the space behind the amnion and in between the amnion and chorion. So in order to avoid the wrong measurement of this as an NT, what we have to do is watch the cine. After you get the right view, wait for some time and the fetus will take a jump. When it actually takes a jump, you can actually see that the skin moves away from the amnion and the real nuchal translucency can be measured normally. The fetal jump, an important observation to be done while measuring nuchal translucency in order not to wrongly measure NT as an anechoic space behind the skin of fetus and posterior amnion, which is actually amniotic fluid.